Good morning. The best of any dry and brighter weather will be restricted to the far northwest for much of this weekend. Further south, we're going to see showery outbreaks of rain through much of the weekend. That's as low pressures now in charge across many southern areas, with this weather front being pushed further north. That'll wrap itself around the UK through Sunday before it drifts away to the east through Monday as things slowly start to improve for the start of next week. But before then, through this weekend, we've still got those weather fronts to push northwards, and we'll see showery outbreaks of rain through this morning across many southern counties. That will move into parts of Wales, the Midlands, northern England, and then into southern Scotland later on by lunchtime or so. Behind that, it will turn a bit brighter for a time, so there will be some sunny breaks, but there's also a risk of some quite heavy downpours. Across the northwest as well, where we do see the best of any drier and brighter weather, it's going to be quite a breezy day with gusty winds being squeezed over the mountains here. However, in any sheltered sunshine, particularly across central and southern areas, it will feel fairly pleasant with highs of 12 or 13 degrees. Across the east coast, though, it's still good. We're going to still have that cold feel we've had through much of the week, with some drizzly rain likely along the coast. Through tonight, that front pushes up to the north, and as it wraps itself around the UK, it will bring a more persistent spell of rain to many central and areas of England, as well as parts of southern Scotland and into parts of Northern Ireland as well. So it'll likely be quite a wet start to the day on Sunday. There will be some drier slots of weather for a time, perhaps sitting across parts of Wales into the southwest for a time on Sunday morning, and still across the northwest of Scotland, it's likely to stay fairly dry through the night on Saturday night and into Sunday morning. There's going to be quite a lot of cloud around. We've got milder air wrapped in amongst this weather front as well, so it's going to be a fairly mild start to the weekend at least. The winds will be a little bit lighter on Sunday compared to Saturday, but rain is much more likely on Sunday for many areas, particularly for parts of Scotland, northern England, in through the Midlands as well. That's where we'll likely see some very heavy and persistent rain. The river catchments are quite sensitive for parts of the southwest, southern areas of Wales as well, so we could see some flooding issues here by the end of the weekend if the rain does turn more persistent. However, even though rain is much more widespread through Sunday, there's still some drier spells expected for parts of the southwest. Here, though, there is a risk of showers once again, and it will be quite cloudy and cool still across the east coast through much of the weekend. That rain will push further south and east through Sunday night and into Monday, and it looks like Tuesday will be a much drier and brighter day. See you later.